Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor School and College Mansehra. I am your teacher Muhammad Awais Kashmiri. Dear students, as you know that we are discussing parts of speech. So, as we have discussed all other parts of speech except articles are determiners. Articles are determiners. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss articles are determiners. Dear student, look at first sentence. I mean example number 1. I went to a college. I went to a college. Look at example number 2. I went to the college. I went to the college. I saw an elephant. Dear student, as you have already discussed all parts of speech other than articles, so you can tell me that which part of speech is used in this sentence. So I is a pronoun, went is second form of the verb go, to is a preposition and college is a noun. And the remaining word is an article. Remaining word is an article. Articles are actually 3 in number: a and d, or a and the. So, dear students, what actually article does? Article sometimes make nouns or ideas definite and sometimes indefinite. So you can see that I went to the college. I went to the college. It has made college definite. Okay. A college indefinite. Similarly, an elephant indefinite. So, what is an article? Article is a part of speech which makes a noun or an idea definite, proper means proper, or indefinite means common. So, article is a part of speech which makes a noun or an idea definite, proper, or indefinite means common. Okay. So, dear students, you have learned that what is an article? Article is a part of speech which makes a noun or an idea definite, proper, or indefinite common. You can see that here I went to the college. The has made college definite place, and a college means it is not definite, it is sort of indefinite place. I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant. Indefinite. Okay. So now we are moving towards kinds of articles. Actually, we have two kinds of articles: indefinite articles and definite article. Indefinite articles are two in number: a and an. These are indefinite articles, and definite article is the, the. Dear students, now what is the difference between the and the? Sometimes we pronounce the and sometimes we pronounce the. Why? So, dear students, when we have a word starting with vowels, means a word starting with vowels: a, e, I, o, u. A, E, I, O, U. So, when a word will start with vowel sound, you will pronounce it the. You will pronounce it the. For example, we can say that the elephant, okay, the apple, but we cannot say the mango. We should say the mango because it is not starting from vowel sound. So when we will start it with vowel sound, we will pronounce it the, and when we will pronounce a word with consonant sound, we will use the. I hope you are clear with it. Similarly, where we use a and where we use an. So when we have vowel sound, so we will use an. When we will have vowel sound, we will use an, like an elephant, an umbrella. Okay, vowel sound. Do remember vowel sound. I am not talking about a e i o u. Vowel sound in Urdu, if for your understanding, vowel sound means alaf, ain, alaf mad a. These are vowel sound. Like I am saying an honest man, an honest man, an honest man. So honest, though there is not a e i o u, but we have vowel sound a, so we will use an. When we will have vowel sound, we will use an, and when we will have consonant sound, we will use a. I hope you are clear with it. Now we are coming towards our topic, that kinds of articles. We have two kinds of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, and definite article is the. Okay, now we are notebooks, on your neat notebooks. Thank you for watching.